a consolidation exercise. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put all the laws together so that you can see it as a full picture. Right. Alright, so let's do a summary on logs. Firstly, if I give you something in index form, you must be able to rewrite that in log form. So you'll say log of 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. Secondly, if I give you something in log form, log of 200 to the base 5. Let's just make it, if you're using base 5, I'll make it real, say 125, then it's 3. Right? Log of 125 to the base 5 is 3. So I'm giving you a log form. Then you will have to write this in index form. So you will say, well, 125 is equal to 5 to the 3. So you must be able to write from index form to log form, from log form to index form. Then we had law number 1. So I'll just write here L1, law number 1, which said that the log of a to the base m plus log of b to the base m is equal to log ab to the base m. This law only works if the bases are the same. Then we have law 2, which said that log of a to the base m minus log of b to the base m is equal to log of a divided by b to the base m. Right? Divided by a divided by b. Then we have law number 3. If you had log a to the m to the base x, then you can bring the m to the front, so it will become m log a to the x. If you like, you can call this a product law because you have to multiply. If you like, you can call this a quotient law because you have to divide. This one we agreed earlier on to call power law. And then law number 4, which has a special name, it's called change of base, which says that log of b to the base a is equal to log b all over log a. So now, if you get an exercise on logs, you must know all these laws. You must be able to write a summary like this very fast. If you don't know the summary, if you don't know this off, then you are not ready to do an exercise on logs yet. So you must know all 6 of these rules. And of course, you must remember, note well, that the base and the number must be positive. And not equal to 1. Right. Of course, the log itself can be positive or negative. The log can be positive or negative. The log itself. But the base and the number must be positive. Positive means can be 1, it can be 5, can be 6, can be half, can be quarter. That's the meaning of positive. In other words, it can be whole numbers or fractions, but it must not be equal to 1. Right, so that's the summary, and it's very important for you to write the summary down on a page and keep it next to you, and maybe the first time if you're trying an exercise, to refer to it, and as you do more and more examples, you'll see that the rules become automatic to you. In other words, you don't have to look at the paper anymore. They'll be in your head and you'll just be able to recall them. Remember when you went to school the first time, nobody drew a map for you. You just walked the road, you came to know the road. Just like that, you just keep doing many examples on logs, and all these laws become automatic to you, and you just recall them as fast as lightning. Alright, so what I will suggest to you now is to take this down, then stop the DVD, and then take a blank piece of paper, right, and try to recall this 6 statements over here. See how well you do. If you don't get them all right, then watch the DVD again, see which one you missed out, then stop the DVD, try to write on a piece of paper again, and see if you are winning. Right? That's one way. The other way, it's nice to make a chart like this, stick it up in your study area, nice, big and bold, and keep looking at it now and then, and just by looking at it, you will be able to remember much of it. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do after this now is we're going to do an exercise that will involve all 6 of these. We're going to do an exercise that will involve all 6 of these, and that will be nice fun. Okay.